the Fiji Day competition. We've played all our games and the girls are about to go on for their quarterfinal. So, with all our games being done, we're just gonna go eat, check out the markets, show you around.
You know my heart goes crazy when your tender lips touch mine. Let's explore our love. We'll leave the world behind. Can you feel me, baby?
Welcome to those who are new to this channel. For the past month, our team have been preparing to play in this Fiji Day tournament. And to quickly summarize, we made it past the pool stages, winning all 3 of our games, putting us through to the quarterfinals. Unfortunately, that's where our run ended with a loss to Wests, but we're going to take this experience over the course of the whole day as a big win, not only because we haven't been together as a team for very long, but also because almost half of us have never played Rugby Sevens before. So making it to the quarterfinals on our very first tournament together is not bad at all. I was pretty surprised at how little time we had to rest in between each game, so I wasn't really in the mind frame to do much filming throughout the day. For the rest of this video, sit back and enjoy the highlights that I did manage to capture, and stay tuned for the next training video, as well as the next tournament in 2 weeks' time.
You know my heart goes crazy.
Rest, no, how many not gone? Sorry, Jason.
Leave the world